Our experience has shown us that often the most difficult part of the process is having the courage to raise your hand and say, this isn't working. There has to be a better way of getting control of my finances. And that better way may be wiping the slate clean by getting a fresh start through the bankruptcy process. If there is any shame in bankruptcy, it is in not making that choice if you and your family need it. The shame of it is seeing people who should be taking this step in a new direction and instead continue to subject themselves and their families to needless stress and strain because of too much pride or too much guilt. Getting a fresh start through this process is a way to turn over a new leaf. If you don't owe this chance to yourself, then you may owe it to those who care about you and for those whom you may be responsible.
And you have some pretty good company if going through the bankruptcy process is something that you choose. After all, Presidents Thomas Jefferson, Abraham Lincoln, and Harry Truman had bankruptcy touch their lives. Honest Abe may have gone through the process twice, Walt Disney many times, Donald Trump, Debbie Reynolds, Burt Reynolds, Kim Basinger, and the list goes on. Think about it. Bankruptcy is a tool you use if you need it.
Bankruptcy offers a chance at a clean slate. What you write on that slate and how you rebuild your credit is up to you. People can and do buy appliances, vehicles, and homes, for example, shortly after and sometimes even during the process. As always, whether you choose bankruptcy or not, each potential lender makes its own decision about to whom to lend. A person with good employment, a down payment, and much fewer debts because of a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 may well find his or her credit situation has improved after the bankruptcy case is closed. By continuing your payments on your car and house, for example, you are almost immediately reestablishing your credit.